a little soak in there. It needs to be flipped around, turned. Okay, sweetie. Okay.
What's that?
Oh.
Is it warm?
Okay, yeah. Okay, it's just a little soapy. We're gonna get underneath your neck.
Tip her head back. Don't let it fall back.
That's not so bad, huh? It's not so bad. It's okay, it's just warm. We're gonna get all the way underneath your neck.
Let her go. Let her hold her head back. Let her go. Let her go.
You got it? Okay, this side.
Take the washcloth and get it warm and just kind of squeeze it out over her neck. She might like that. Okay. No, squeeze it out and let it wash there. Yeah. She doesn't mind that.
Okay. Okay, now let's do the head. I'll just get you wet. Okay. Okay, princess. Oh, baby girl.
Make sure you get the bottom of her head.
Yeah.
Because her hair goes down.
Oh, let me get the back of her neck, Mom.
You holding her?
Yeah, I got her. Okay.
Is she done?
No, I gotta.
Now you're gonna brush her? Ian? Okay, Tyson, you want to come back? There we go. You're okay. Okay, sweetie.
There, you found your hand. That's
No,
good.
rinse the
Let me get the back of her head more. Back here. Go all the way back here. I'm glad you found your hand, sweetheart.
Okay, and then you get the washcloth wet and drip it over.
Okay.
Let it drip down.
Okay. There we
Is that-
go. Look at that's what we got. That's good. What'd you say, Tyson?
Yeah,
Doesn't
drip
need
it
any
over
more?
and over again, over and over again. Sweet thing, she doesn't mind it. It's warm water.
Yeah, it's not so bad. That's not so bad. Look at, we got you covered. We cleaned you off. You did a great job, huh? Good job, sweetheart. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad you like that. There we go. Okay. Good job, baby girl. Woo! Okay. Good job. Thanks, Mom. Look, you're all ready for our first bath. Yeah. Not too bad.